Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to talk about this product, which is Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gel Based Moisturizer. In today's video we'll be talking all about this product, how it is, the review plus the demo. So I'll be reviewing this product as well as I will use it on my skin so that you guys can see it. Without wasting any further time, let's get started. This Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gel Based Moisturizer of 50 grams. It comes in a 50 grams of glass bottle. It looks very pretty, the packaging and the everything. The 50 gram is for 950 rupees. I got this from Nykaa, and if you'll go through my previous videos, even the first video which I have uploaded on the YouTube, you will get to know that I am using this product since then. Like, I have already finished 2-3 bottles of this product or more. Like, this new bottle comes with a white cap, but the previous bottles comes with a blue cap. If you'll go through my previous video, the cap of the bottle is blue, so the new packaging comes with the white cap, that you will get to know that I am using it for so long. And trust me, since I got this product, I have not used any other moisturizer on my skin. Since then I'm using this product and I am really in love with this product. I really love the water-based moisturizers. I don't like the cream-based moisturizers because sometimes creamy product gets sticky, which I don't like. Also, I have oily skin, so I don't prefer cream-based moisturizer. I use gel-based moisturizer, which is super light in weight and it doesn't stick on your face. That's why I like water-based products. So coming back to this product, I have, like, people are comparing it with the Clinique Moisture Surge. I have already used that Clinique Moisture Surge, but trust me, it's more worth it. The Clinique Moisture Surge is more of a silicone based. It do have, but in very less amount, I guess. And as the product says, this Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel instantly boosts skin hydration levels and over time amplifies skin natural ability to self-hydrate. It is dermatologist tested, oil-free and non-comedogenic, which is very good thing. That's what I really like about Neutrogena. It doesn't clog your pores, it's non-comedogenic and it's oil-free. And because I have oily skin, I will prefer oil-free and gel-based moisturizer, which is kind of work for me, I guess. So yeah, and as if I've told you, I have used, like, I think this is my 4th or 5th bottle till now. I'm using it since then, and let me tell you guys, I am really in love with this product. The way it hydrates your skin, the way it smells, and everything about this product. Even if you look at the packaging, it looks very pretty and nice. Also, the good thing about this product is you can use it at the night time, at the daytime. Like, this is the night time while I'm filming this video for you guys. So I'm going to show you. I personally use it for night time as well. I use Neutrogena face wash. Even I use the Hydro Boost range. I use the whole Hydro Boost range. I use the toner, the serum. On that I'll make another video with the full Hydro Boost range. Particularly talking about this moisturizer, I'm gonna apply it on my face so that you guys can see. This is how the product looks like. Also, you can see I have finished this bottle as well. So if you don't trust me, if I'm saying I've used 4 or 5 bottles of it, I have the another new bottle with this. Like, this is almost finished. It's just 1 or 2 times use, I guess. And you can see this is the full bottle. This is the new bottle, which is already full. So you can see that. Now I'm gonna use it. I also use it on my neck as well, and I use it in a good amount. It really gives you the perfect amount of hydration you need. Also, it's very good for oily skin because it's oil-free and water-based. And if you talk about sensitive combination in dry skin, you can also use it. People with sensitive skin, dry skin and combination skin, it's good for all. Also, don't forget to apply it on your neck area. Whatever product you apply on your face, the toner, the serum, the moisturizer, you have to apply it on your neck as well, because it's kind of whatever you apply on face, even the makeup, like foundation and everything. So yeah, everything goes, what goes on the face, same goes on the neck as well. So you have to keep that in mind. I've seen many people, they apply the moisturizer just on the face, not on the neck, which is very important. You should not skip that. So yeah, as you can see, it absorbs really quickly in the skin and it doesn't looks like you have applied anything. It's very lightweighted. Your skin will not feel heavy at all. It's so hydrating and it gives a very shine, or you can say a glowy, healthy skin. The skin looks so healthy when I apply this, and I just leave it like overnight. And if you talk about the price, I know it's little pricey, but I will say it's not overpriced. It may be pricey but not overpriced. The 50 gram is for 950 rupees. I got this from Nykaa. I always keep one extra in stock because I really love this product and I cannot afford to go out of stock because I really need this every day. Sometimes in the daytime when my skin feels little dry, what I do is I take a little amount and I mix it with my sunscreen and then apply it all over. So yeah, that's a tip for you guys. If you have dry skin or if you're using sunscreen which is drying up your skin really quickly, what you can do is you can just, whatever moisturizer you use, you can just mix that moisturizer with your sunscreen and then apply it on your face. So at the same time your skin will be moisturized, nourished and hydrated, and you will get the sun protection as well. So this is what you can do if you feel dry while applying your sunscreen. Like it happens with me as well. Whenever I apply my sunscreen, sometimes my skin feels a little dry, so that's what I do. And trust me guys, this product is worth buying. It's pricey, but I will say it's not overpriced because it's really a good product to have and I really love this. So that's all I wanted to say about this. I hope you guys like this video and it is helpful for you guys. If you do like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so that whenever I upload my next video, you guys get the notification. If you have made this far, please don't forget to like and share and comment below. Thank you guys for watching and I love you all. Have a good day and good night. Bye.